what is stock market. So before moving to that, first we will analyze our general market. If suppose if you want to buy any product for daily needs, you would visit the supermarket nearby to your home. So in supermarket you would buy anything. For example, if you need any milk materials, a biscuit, Horlicks, Boost, or for any food material, you can buy those things in the supermarket. Similarly, suppose if you want to buy any stocks of a public listed company, then you should visit the stock market. So visiting the stock market is not a physical one. You can use the online version and you can buy and sell the stock online itself, which means electronically. You don't need any paper material. Nowadays every share is dematerialized, so you don't want the paper format. You can buy and sell the stocks in a dematerialized format. So we will see more about those things in the upcoming videos. For now we will see what is stock market. So for knowing this stock market in a detailed manner, first we need to analyze these two things. The first one is, if a company is moving from private to public, the main reason would be the company is trying to raise the funds. So then the company would announce that the company is moving from private to public so that they can get the funds from the public. So the private to public is a big step for that company. So they will announce IPO. IPO means initial public offering. Initial public offering means the company is moving from private to public, so the people can invest in that company by buying shares. So this is the primary market for the people to invest in that company by buying the shares. This is a primary market where public people can directly buy stocks or shares from that company. So this is the primary market. If suppose these are the public people who have bought these shares of that company via IPO. So A, B, C, D, E and etc. people bought the shares of that company from primary market called IPO. So once these people bought the primary shares from the primary market, the IPO would expire. Then these people can trade the stocks in the stock exchange. If there are some other public people who are eager to buy stocks of the company, for example, we can name this F and G and H. These people are eager to buy the stocks of that company, but they can't buy directly because the IPO has been already expired. Now they can buy the stocks of that company via the stock exchanges. So stock exchange is a place where people can buy and sell stocks of a public listed company. So this is stock exchange. Here people can sell and buy. So here they can sell, buy these stocks, and if for example A, B, C, D bought the stocks of this company via primary market called IPO, and A and B are willing to sell these shares to somebody. So A and B are listing those shares in the stock market. This can be a stock market, and we can also treat them as a stock exchange where the exchange of shares are done. A and B are listing their shares in the stock market, and F, G, H are very eager to buy those shares. So they are trying to buy those shares via the stock exchange. So after a few weeks, F and G are trying to making a decision to sell the existing shares to somebody. So what they are trying to do is they are listing the shares in the stock market so that other people can buy. For example, if suppose I and J are very eager to buy these shares, then they can also buy via stock exchange. So this becomes a hub or a central place where the shares getting traded. It can be intraday, it can be a short term, it can be long term, but shares getting traded in the stock exchange. So we will talk more about the stock exchange in detailed manner. Probably we just think there are only two recognized stock exchanges in India, which is NSE and BSE, National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. There are some other exchanges, but most of the public listed company stocks are listed in NSE and BSE. Suppose if you are residing in USA, then there would be some other recognized stock exchange like NASDAQ, like that. So we will talk more about those things in the upcoming video. If you want to open an account in Zerodha, for buying and selling the shares of some public listed company. The link could be present in the description box of the video, so you can use that link. So we will talk more about the stock market in detailed manner in upcoming videos. Thanks for now.